Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is a little project I have to share with you today. It's a magnetic bookmark. These cute little owls. Now I did a card using these cute little owls last week, a gatefold card, and I had a spare image so I thought I'd make it into a bookmark. So here we are. So I've already stamped the image. This is our little owlie and it's from this set, Adorable Owls, which I love. And we used these two for the gatefold card, and we're using this little fella today. I think they're just cute. And this is a freebie during celebration. So for every £45 you spend, you can choose a free item from the celebration catalogue. And this is one of the free items I scored. So very happy with that. So I've stamped this in Memento ink so I could colour it in using my Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. And I'll show you those now. Colours I used were Crumb Cake, Soft Suede, So Saffron and Tahitian Tide. So I'm going to colour this little chappy in, and I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. So here's our little chappy, fussy cut out, coloured in and then fussy cut out. So let's make our bookmark. I have a piece here of Poppy Parade cardstock, and this piece measures 5 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and we're going to score it in half, or just basically fold it in half. You can score it as well. I'm just going to fold it and then reinforce my score line with my bone folder. And then I have a piece here of the Forest Friends Designer Series paper, and I'm going to stick this on the front, and this measures 4.5 centimeters by 7 centimeters. Just like that, and then I'm gonna see if my Tombow will work or not. I should have brought another one up, but I forgot. There's still some in it, that's good. Use it up. And then I'm just gonna stick this little guy on the front, but he wants to stick to me instead. There we go. And then I'm not sure what I've done with my magnet. Let me have a look and see if it's still in my bag, and it is here. I put all my projects in these little bags ready to make, and I got this on the internet somewhere, I'm not sure where. And I just peel off one piece of the magnet, stick it in the centre, peel off the backing off the other piece, fold it down, and hey presto, we have a magnetic bookmark. And I'm going to use some red and green pearls, these pearls here. They're not just red and green, I don't know why they're called that, but anyway, and I'm going to just try and get this one to come away. And I'm just going to put, don't want a lot of dimension on here, but it is a bookmark. Oopsie daisy, where did that one run to? Come back. But we're just going to put that there. So there's our two little bookmarks. I really think they're so cute. So do you like to read? What are you reading? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what you're reading. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. And if you want more information about the project, the measurements, the supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.